Hello, dear viewers. Welcome to Bidway's English Learning Channel. Friends, all of you know that nowadays I am sharing some videos which are related to grammar. In the last videos, I shared the noun, the pronoun, and the verb with advanced informations. I am sure that you might have watched them. If you haven't seen my previous videos yet, please subscribe to the channel and stay updated. Now today I am going to explain the next grammatical atom entitled by the adjective. Let's to start the adjective. Friends, at first I would like to define the adjective. Then we shall see its various types with suitable examples. Now see the definition. What is the adjective? A word which tells something more about noun or pronoun is called an adjective. नामाबद्दल विशेष माहिती सांगणाऱ्या शब्दास विशेषण असे म्हणतात. See the classification of adjectives. In English, adjectives are generally classified into 9 categories. First, adjective of quality, adjective of quantity. Third, adjectives of number. Fourth, demonstrative adjectives. Fifth, interrogative adjectives. Sixth, distributive adjectives. Number 7, possessive adjectives. 8, emphasizing adjectives. And 9, exclamatory adjectives. These are 9 categories of the adjectives. Now let's see one by one. The first type of adjective is adjectives of quality. See its definition. What is adjectives of quality? Adjectives of quality generally qualify the nouns. It shows the kind of quality of a person or thing. नामाबद्दल विशेष गुण दर्शवणारी शब्द म्हणजे गुणविशेषण होय. Now see few examples of adjectives of qualities. First, Mumbai is crowded city. The rose is a beautiful flower. Tom is a brave boy. The king was happy. He is an intelligent boy. In these 5 examples, see adjectives of quality. In first example, crowded, it shows the quality of the subject, Mumbai. What kind of city is Mumbai? Crowded shows its additional information about Mumbai. So in these 5 examples, crowded, beautiful, brave, happy, and intelligent, these are adjectives of quality. Now see the second type of adjective. It is adjectives of quantity. Adjectives of quantity show the quantity of a thing involved. Let's see some examples. There is enough water in the pond. He ate the whole pudding. I can't give you more money. We finish half homework. They can lift all this luggage. There is less chance to get food. Friends, in these 6 examples, enough, whole, more, half, all, and less, these shows the quantity. So all these are known as adjectives of quantity. Let's go to turn the third type of adjective, that is adjectives of number. Adjectives of number show the definite or indefinite number of persons or things involved. For examples, I have 3 brothers. Sonam stood first in the class. Most boys like a junk food. Many people join the club. All the students get their shares. In these 5 examples, you can observe there are some definite and indefinite numbers of the adjectives. In first example, see, I have 3 brothers. In this example 3, it is definite adjective of number, whereas many people join the club. In this example, many, it is indefinite adjective of number. Now friends, we will see another type of adjectives, that is demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative adjectives specify or point out the nouns. These are this, that, those, and these are called demonstrative adjectives. Now see some examples of it. First example, this girl is an intelligent one. That boy is very lazy. Those things belong to me. These books are mine. I despise such things. All these adjectives which show the point out the nouns. Now friends, see the next type of adjective, that is interrogative adjectives. Let's to learn something about interrogative adjectives. Interrogative adjectives are used with nouns to ask questions. An interrogative adjective must be followed by a noun or pronoun. These are what, which, and whose. See the following examples. Number 1. What answer did you get? Which sari do you prefer? Whose pen is this? All these in 3 examples you can see how, what, which, and whose, these interrogative adjectives are used to frame the question. Now let's see the number 6 type of adjectives. It is distributive adjectives. Let's learn. Distributive adjectives point out each one of a number. See some examples of distributive adjectives. First example, I gave her some candy. She has a few moments alone. Each boy will get his share. Several friends help in needs. Neither newspaper is true. In these 5 examples, some, few, each, several, and neither, or you may call it neither, are known as distributive adjectives. Let's go to start the number 7th type of adjective. It is possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives show possession. It suggests the belongingness of something to someone. With the help of following examples, you can understand possessive adjectives. See the first example. This is his book. These are my friends. The dog is wagging its tail. Her cat is too quiet. Your car is parked outside. Here you can observe the possessive adjectives. His, my, its, her, and your are the possessive adjectives. Now friends, see the next type of adjective. It is emphasizing adjectives. First, learn what do you mean by emphasizing adjectives. Emphasizing adjectives are used to emphasize our opinions about something, or they highlight or show importance of a particular person or an object in the sentence. Now see some examples of emphasizing adjectives. First, he met me in the perfect time. We saw an accident with our own eyes. This is the very book I want. They have seen the complete drama. She locked the door with her own hands. Ruchita made a delicious sweet dish. Friends, in these 6 examples, see some emphasizing adjectives. In first example, he met me in the perfect time. In this example, the word perfect, which emphasizes the object time. Same thing, own, very, complete and delicious also show the importance of objects. Now friends, see the last type of adjectives. It is exclamatory adjectives. Exclamatory adjectives indicate strong emotion and it is used with noun. Usually we use a word what to explain the strong emotions. Look at the examples. What a curse! What an idea! What a courage! What a popular game it is! What a pity! In these examples, what stands to show strong emotion of the speaker. Friends, here I have tried to explain in detail what is the adjectives. If you like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video. We will see very soon with next video. It will be related with adverb. Goodbye.